Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware. Insert the micro SD into the module, then wire MOSI, MISO, SCK, and CS to the Arduino SPI pins. Use 3V power and common ground. This prevents damaging the card. Once the wiring is secure, enable pull-ups or level shifting because Arduino's 5VI/O must not drive the card directly. Finally, install the SD library in your IDE so you can compile test sketches. This saves time when you move to software. You now switch to software. Load the SD library example sketch and set the chip select to match your wiring. Initialize the card with SD. Begin, chip select, and check the Boolean response. Failures tell you to recheck wiring or voltage. Once initialized, open a file and write a short test string, then close it to flush buffers. This proves both read and write paths. Make sure the card uses FAT16 or FAT32 because the library expects those formats. You finish by implementing safe file handling. Open in append mode for continuous logs and close the file after each write so buffers clear. This prevents corruption. Once done logging, stop writes before removing power. If the library supports SD, end, call it, otherwise power down safely. If things go wrong, check the chip select pin assignment, confirm 3V signaling, reformat the card to FAT32 and try a different card. These steps resolve most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.